The darkFlash MATX PC case features a stunning curved glass design that provides a modern and sophisticated look for any gaming setup. With support for up to 9 120mm fans and dual 360mm radiators, this case ensures maximum cooling efficiency even during the most demanding tasks. This case offers a spacious interior capable of housing high-end components, making it ideal for gamers and professionals who require the flexibility to accommodate large GPUs and multiple storage options. The inclusion of a high-speed USB 3.0 port on the front panel enhances data transfer speeds and compatibility with a range of devices. Crafted from high-quality materials, the darkFlash PC case is designed to be durable, providing long-lasting protection for your valuable components. Its user-friendly design simplifies installation and cable management, allowing for quick upgrades and easy maintenance.